All right, next, we're going to skip down to number 5. This is on the second study guide page, number 26. It's a travel problem, and we're going to use distance equals rate times time. So let's look at this one. We're skipping down to number 5 on the second page. Check this out. 2 cyclists begin traveling in the same direction on the same bike path. But one is traveling at 15 miles per hour, and the other one is a little slower, 12 miles per hour. When will they be 10 miles apart? So one will be 10 miles ahead of the other one. Okay, so you got to think a little bit on these, but honestly, these are a lot easier than mixture problems. Okay, so here's my 2 cyclists, right? Cyclist 1, how fast is he going? 15. So his is 15. The time, we don't know, t. But the distance traveled, look at the formula. Distance is rate times time, so it would be 15t. How fast is the second cyclist going? 12. And it's the same amount of time, so that's t. So how far did he go? 12t. So here's the thing you got to think about when you're setting these up. The equation isn't always cut and dry. So here's my 2 cyclists. This is number 1, this is number 2. They're both going in the same direction, right? But the first guy is going a lot faster. He's going to be skipping way ahead. And we want to know when this amount right here is 10, right? Isn't that what it says? When will they be 10 miles apart? So in other words, when this guy is 10 more than this guy. So we want something to be 10. What do you think it would be, Ethan?
15t minus 12t.
Exactly right. When is 15t minus 12t equal to 10? How long does it take for the 15t guy to get 10 miles ahead of the 12t guy? So these travel problems, they're a little shorter, they're a little quicker, but you've got to think how to set that up. In this case, when they're going in the same direction, it's when the one minus the other is 10. So in this case, 3t equals 10. Divide by 3. So the time would be 3 1/3 hours. Or you would say, if you wanted, 3 hours and 20 minutes. Either answer would be fine. Okay, so they are traveling in the same direction. You've got to pay attention to that. And then, I mean, honestly, you set them up the same way, they're much quicker, but that equation isn't always exactly the same. It's a little different.
Did you